Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. This here is called a trip lever. So it'll activate the stopper that's in the very back of the tub. Because this stuff is old and also calcium buildup and other things, sometimes this gets stuck. So what we need is a trusty screwdriver to take off the cover. Okay, so this is our lever, and then we have two slot screws. So we'll just cover up the drain in case. Okay, so this is our trip lever. So the plunger, it just drops down in the bottom and then it blocks the water. So here we can see how it's worn. I'll try to do the simplest fix, which is just using plumber's grease. Just work it back and forth. Everything looks to be okay, there's nothing broken. Okay, so I'll just clean this off by hand. It doesn't look to be in too bad shape. Okay. That seems to work a lot better now. Okay, we'll do a final test. And that was it, just a little bit of plumbing grease on the mechanism here, and you're good to go. Guys, that is your quick tip of the week.